Okay, I am Javesh. Today I have taken again the same topic of class 8 square roots. In the previous video we have to find the square root. We have to find the square root of decimal number. Today we have taken the question, find the least number. Find the least number which must be added. Which must be added to each of the following. To each of the following numbers so as to get a perfect square. Also find the square root of perfect square. I have taken 3 questions. First question 525. Second question we have taken 252. Third question 6412. In the previous video we have to find the least number which must be subtracted. This time find the least number which must be added to each of the following number so as to get a perfect square. Also find the square root of a perfect square. So we have to firstly find the square root. We have taken first question 525. Same pattern we have to follow. Make a pair. So here 5, here 25. So here what number we can write it there? Here 1 square 1, 2 square 4, 3 square 9. So here we can write here 2. 2 square 4, 1. Pair will be carry out them. 2 to the 4. So here what we can write it there? Here either we can write here 2, 2 to the 4, 2 for the 8. Here 4, 3, 3 3 the 9, 3 4 the 12. So 84 is less than 125, 129 is less than 125. So if subtraction will be comes out then we can write here 2. The number will be subtracted there. This time they will be asked, the number must be added. So added, we can write here more than this number, more than this number. So here we can write here 3. So here 3, 1 to 9. So here 1 to 9 minus 124. So the number is 4. 4 must be added to 525 to make a perfect square. So when we have to 4 is added, 525 plus 4, that will becomes 529. As a perfect square, also find the square root of them. So here 529 square root. We are not finding the square root because square root we have to also find it then. So that will becomes out 23. So this must be added and we have to, this is the perfect square. Next question we have taken is there 252. 252. k pair again. Here 2 is there, so 1 square 1, 2 square 4. So 1 5 2, 1 2 is 2. So here what we can write it there, same number we can write it there, 5 125 2 6 156. So this number is less than, but according to question what number must be added, so we can write here 6, here 6, here we can write it there 156. 156 minus 152, what will becomes, 4 will be comes out then. So the number is 4. So 252 when 4 is added, it will becomes 256. So square root of 256 is 16. So this is the question. Same pattern we have to follow it there. Okay. Third part we have taken there 6412 k pair. So 64, 8 square will be comes out then 64, 8 8 ja 64, 0 0, 12 will be carry, 8 2 ja 16. So here what we can write it there, here we can write it there either 0, when 160 multiplication with 0, what will be comes out then 0. Either we can write here 161, then it will becomes 161. So what number which we have to add it, here we can write it 0, here 0. So number will be comes out 12 minus 0, not 12 will be comes out of them, here 0 will be there. If 12 will be not added at them, 12 will be subtracted then. So here we can write it there 161. So 161 minus 12, 11 minus 2 9, 5 minus, so which number we have to add it there, so number we have to add it 6412 plus 149. So here 6 9 or 2 11 1 4 1 or 6 5, the number will becomes out 6561. Square root of this number is 81. Okay, either we can write it 0, then we have to subtract it, 12 will be subtracted it then. If they will be asked subtraction, then we can write it there 0. Another question, find the length of the side of square. Find the length of the side of a square whose area is 441 meter square. Find the length of the side of a square whose area is 441 meter square. So here area of square, that is equal to given 441 meter square. Area of square, side multiplication side, that is equal to 441. This means that side square 441. Taking square root on both sides. Taking square root on both sides. So side square, that is equal to 441 square root, and this will be cancel. So here side is equal to square root of this number 441, make a pair, 2 to the 4, 41 will be carried, here will be 0, 2 to the 4, here we can write here 1. This is 21. So side of the square is 21 meter. Next, in a right triangle, ABC, angle B is equal to 90 degree. If AB equal to 6 centimeter and BC is equal to 8 centimeter, find AC. In a right triangle ABC, angle B is 90 degree. Angle B, here we can write here BAC, ABC. This angle B is 90 degree, AB 6 centimeter, base 8 centimeter. So we have to find AC. How will you find the AC? This is the right angle triangle. So in 90 degrees, opposite side is hypotenuse. This is the hypotenuse, longest side of the triangle. So by Pythagoras theorem, hypotenuse square, that is equal to perpendicular square plus base square. This is perpendicular, this is base, this is hypotenuse. So hypotenuse, we can write it there AC square, perpendicular, that is 6 square, plus base, that is 8 square. So here AC square is equal to 36 plus 8 square 64. So AC square, it will become sum of them, that will becomes 100. Again taking square root, so AC square root on both sides, 100 square root. It will be cancelled, then AC is equal to square root of 100. 1 ones are 1, 2, 0, here 0. So AC is equal to 10 centimeter. Here we have to find the side AC. Okay, thank you.